guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, it is going to be a really quick, straightforward how to create task cards. Now I'm going to show you the task cards that I have and the tools that you'll need to create your own. So what I'll do is I'm in fact going to just take this out and pop this to the side and take these out so you can see it properly. Just to give you a quick heads up, this is some flyleaf paper from Filofax and some Muji sticker adhesive pockets that I've stuck onto this. Okay, so I'm going to move this all out the way and I'm going to show you these in more detail. So first thing that you're going to need is some acrylic card. Now these I searched for and I found on eBay. The seller was selling multiples up to I think 20 or so, but as minimal or as little as 2. So I got the 2 and I believe it was like £2 with free shipping. So I thought absolute steal. The next thing that you're going to need are some page flags. Now you can get these from all over the place. There's so many different brands. Now I have some from Cloth and Paper here in this hand, and then over here from a shop on Etsy, and these are no different really to the ones I have. Really depending on your color variation, go for what suits you best. Okay, so the colour flags I have here are the ones in Cotton and Dusk from Cloth and Paper. The next thing that you're going to need is some stickers. So a variation of stickers depending on what you're looking to do and how you want to label it. You can simply use the plain flag with no icon. And I'll show you, for example, if I take this one off. And if I were to put, let's say, this yellow one on. Okay, so you could have it completely plain. And then if you wanted to, you could just have some text. Now, the text that I've used on these, have come from this sticker sheet here. Now, this was actually gifted to me, so I cannot tell you where it was from. The seller said that she got this locally and just sent it to me, so yeah, I can't even order this myself if I want to, but I'm sure we all have sticker sheets like this that we can use. You can also use a label maker and print your own labels and stick them on your task card. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to label this as something that I need to work on, or if it's study related, or if it was important, you get the gist. You can put that on here, similar to what I have done here. The other thing that you can do is maybe use some stickers like this. So these say things like happy hour, nail appointment, salon, dinner date, coffee, and me time. So whatever you like, you can stick. You can stick on here. Just to give you another idea, I have these from a Kiki K sticker thing, so a sticker kit, so I could also put if it was a party or exercise, travel, whatever you like, get creative and stick it on the sticky label. Now, if you want to do something similar to what I've done and create or add little icons, then you will probably need something like this that has loads of different icons, so like birthday cakes, cupcakes if it was something to do with your car, dinner, things like that, exercise, you could use those. What I've used is icons here from the Planner Spot sticker sheets, the monthly sheets. They always come with the icons, so I have a ton of these and they're perfect size to fit, as you can see, on the cards. So once you've had fun playing around with what you want to do, so for example, if I wanted to, I could put a yellow sticker, as it's yellow, me time, stick that on here, obviously maybe align it so that it's a bit neater, and then if I wanted to add an icon I could, and then Bob's your uncle, you have your own set of task cards. So that's it guys, just a really quick and easy how to in case, like me, you weren't able to get your hands on the Maddie Plan ones or any others maybe that you've seen. We've got loads of time on our hands, so go get at it, create your own, and feel free to comment in the box below on whether you've made your own. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, and do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. But happy planning, guys. Take care. Bye.